Hello everyone, my name is Esmeralda Tisha Analesta with matrix number 65900 and I'm from EOP class group 10 FSSK. In this video today, I'm gonna present about women discrimination in job recruitment. Discrimination based on gender is one of the common issues that we face nowadays in our society, including in job recruitment. Gender discrimination in job recruitment is the refusal of hiring and promoting a person based on the individual sex. A research with a title, "Are Women Less Likely to Get Hired?" by researcher Maria Jose Gonzalez and her fellows. The researcher from the UPF Department of Political and Social Sciences conclude that women are 30% less likely to get hired by the employers compared to men with the same characteristics. The report also conclude that gender bias in recruitment process are based on the gender stereotype, which expectations of the sexes are defined culturally. Women are being discriminated and denied from the right to get the qualified job as men because women are feminine and being viewed as incapable of doing work that traditionally done by men. For example, in physical labor and also in managerial skills job. Furthermore, women are being discriminated because of motherhood, which connected to the family and also the reproductive roles. Due to the stereotype, women are most likely to get in charge of the childcare than men. On the other hand, men will occupy the social role that associate with earning money and support the family financially. Because of these gender discriminations in job recruitment, the number of labor force are so different for both men and women. The Department of Statistics Malaysia published that in 2019, the labor force was consist of 9.47 million of men, which is represented by 61%, and then 6.06 million of women, represented by 39%. To overcome this issue, it is important for the employers to take approach in the hiring process to avoid gender bias. One of the solutions is to use the standardized selection tools and procedure in hiring, especially in the interview. Employers should choose method that is resistant to gender bias and will provide a clearer information for the employers about the applications. So here's other step in the implementation plan that employers can take to avoid discriminations in the job recruitment. The first step is to create a standardized questions that asked in every interview to make it easier for the employers to compare each of the candidates based on the qualifications for the jobs. Then the employer should take good notes when the candidates are answering for the questions to avoid relying on the recall abilities that will open up to the unintentional bias in evaluating the candidates. To evaluate the candidates, then the employer should use the rubric for the qualification needed from the candidates and to provide everything in balance and avoid for giving too much credit for the particular qualifications. After completing the rubric scoring, then the employer should justify the final choices of the candidate based on the rubric and then get feedback from others too to add more data for the qualifications. So that is all for my presentation today. Thank you for watching.